Hey guys, so here's my View Fan. You've seen this one before. I found him a nice little friend, also from Kmart. A brown Carroway ceiling fan. Not sure if it has a name. It's a 36-inch spinner, just like this. And it was also from Kmart and priced at $25, $24.99. Same design box, so I'll get that box. Here it is on top of something else. Yeah, the View Fan has the same pattern on the box, except it has the View Fan pictured and it's labeled appropriately. Decorative ceiling fan. Ooh, so probably not meant for use. No, just kidding. And I hung it here because I thought it was appropriate to put next to this fan. So here we go. So the bearings on this fan are pretty rough. I oiled them and they actually got better. They're not great. They're not great still, but better than what they were. Let's see here. Straighten it out, or I guess not. It's a little lopsided. Pretty stiff on that mounting bracket. They run at about the same speed, so yeah. This one's noisy because it hasn't warmed up. It's been quite a while since these things have run. Noisy. Must be the bearings. I mean, these View fans are famous for having terrible bearings. And I should also mention, this is about as fast as that View fan. And moves about as much air, if not more. So together, they're a pretty powerful couple. Yeah, I want to say the View fan's going faster, but it could be the light. This one's much better lit than this one is. There's no light over here. You can see a little wobbly motor, but it's all right. It's a little out of clock. I mean, this fan wasn't exactly expensive. Turn that on high. Yeah, this thing flies. The blades are almost perfect on it, too. Now this little guy. This one's blades are basically perfect, too. The fan, just the motor's a little out of clock. Off camera, it actually is wobbling a little more. Camera seems to hide the wobble, but you can see it there. Get a different angle here. Walk around the motorcycle. Yeah, it's a little wobbly because the motor is a little out of clock, but it's all right. Yeah, these things move. They move an incredible amount of air. I think there's a breaker here that turns these ones off. It might kill the lights too, so we'll see how that looks. Oh, nope. Okay, good. All right, here's spin down. So you know the View fan has a long spin down. The Carroway, not so much. The bearings are pretty stiff on it, so yeah. It'll be much quicker than the View fan is. And I think this is dated from 1986, but I'm not sure. It's a good looking little fan. It looks really cool. So does the View fan. I'm a sucker for 36-inch spinner fans. I love these. Like, you could tell with the Northman I have hanging right there. That came from Fire 88 if you're interested. I used to have a Northman, but somehow I lost the motor assembly, so I'm an idiot. But I still have the rest of the pieces. Well, that's the Carroway stopped. And then the View fan, which we know takes a while. So yeah. There just happened to be a spot for this. It clears my garage door. So I figured, why not? I think that makes about 22 fans hanging now. I'm not sure. $21, I think. I can't count. Yeah, this has a much longer spin down. I didn't know this model of the View fan existed. I only really knew about the more famed version of this one, and probably the more rare, the three-bladed steel one, the commercial industrial fan. That's the one I really want, but I'll be happy with this little one because this one moves a bunch of air too. I'm sure that steel-bladed one is better. You can see the differences between these two fans, of course. I mean, the motor shape is the big one. The switch caps. The brackets are a little thinner on this one, where that one's a little thicker. The stencil's basically the same. So yeah. I'm weird because I would love to do a dual install of these two things somewhere other than here. Even though they don't really match. I just think they're a great pair of fans and they would do well together. And I got both of them new in box. I mean, this one, I think I made that obvious before, but yeah. I think I paid $20 for that one. This one was like $5. Yeah. That's basically stopped, so. Yeah. Okay. Make sure I don't trip here. And here's 0 to high. Carroway is a little faster. You can really hear the bearings on it, though. But yeah, these little fans kick butt. And the homestead now has a friend. Well, anyway, there you have it. Carroway spinner with the View fan. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.